Welcome to EduMind, scholars. Today we're going to unlock one of the most powerful tools in algebra. It's called the substitution method. Now, imagine you're a detective. You have a mystery, two secret numbers hiding behind the letters X and Y. Your mission? Find them. But here's the catch. To find them, you need two clues. Those clues are called equations. Let's look at our mystery. We have two clues, also known as equations. Equation 1, y equals 2x plus 1. Equation 2, x plus y equals 7. Our goal is to find the exact number for x and the exact number for y. But right now, they are mixed up. Equation 1 is special. Why? Because it already tells us what y is. It says y is equal to 2x plus 1. Think of equation 1 as a name tag. Y's name tag says, I am 2x plus 1. So, wherever we see y in equation 2, we can swap it with 2x plus 1. Let's do it together. Step 1. Isolate. First, we look for the easiest variable to swap. Equation 1 is already ready. Y equals 2x plus 1. We don't need to change anything. This is our swap package. Step 2. Substitute. Now, look at equation 2. X plus y equals 7. I'm going to take away y and put in our swap package, which is 2x plus 1. So we get x plus, open bracket, 2x plus 1, close bracket, equals 7. Notice the brackets? They help us keep the package together. Now, we only have x's in this equation. The y is gone. This is great because we can now solve for x. Step 3. Solve for the first variable. Let's simplify. We have one x and two more x's. That makes 3 x's. So, 3x plus 1 equals 7. Now, let's isolate x. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3x equals 6. Divide by 3. X equals 2. High five! We found x. X is 2. But we aren't done. We need y too. Step 4. Back substitute. Remember our swap package from the beginning? Y equals 2x plus 1. Now that we know x equals 2, we can plug it back in. Y equals 2 times 2 plus 1. Y equals 4 plus 1. Y equals 5. So, our answer is x equals 2 and y equals 5. In coordinate form, we write this as the point 2, 5. Now, the crucial step, the check. In programming, we test our code to make sure it doesn't crash. In math, we check our answers. Let's plug x equals 2 and y equals 5 into the original equation 2. X plus y equals 7. So, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Does 7 equal 7? Yes! Our code works. Our math is correct. Okay, EduMind scholars, I'm going to give you a new pair. I want you to tell me the first step. Don't solve it yet, just tell me what to swap. Here are the equations. Equation 1, x equals y minus 3. Equation 2, 2x plus y equals 9. Which equation gives us a free swap? That's right! Equation 1! Equation 1 says x is y minus 3. So, where do we put y minus 3? In equation 2! Exactly. We replace x in the second equation. It would look like this. 2 times, open bracket, y minus 3, close bracket, plus y equals 9. You just did the hardest part, setting it up. Let's recap our algorithm for substitution. Step 1. Isolate. Find the equation that says x equals something or y equals something. Step 2. Substitute. Plug that expression into the other equation. Step 3. Solve. Find the first variable. Step 4. Back substitute. Plug that number back in to find the second variable. For your EduMind challenge tonight, you will receive a PDF with 3 puzzles. One of them is a bug hunt. I've made a mistake in the solution.